Hey everybody, it's Eric, and today we're going to go over creating a custom list form in SharePoint Online. So you're going to start with navigating to your list, which we've already made it here. I'm going to come over here to Integrate, Power Apps, and Customize Forms. There's lots of ways to make Power Apps and custom list forms and other things that interact with and engage with SharePoint Online. But this way, what you're doing is you're ensuring that the Power App that you're making is in fact a custom list form that's tightly coupled to that list. So it's no different than if you were to have used SharePoint Designer or InfoPath to customize your list form in SharePoint. In this case, we're going to use Power Apps as our engine because SharePoint Designer and InfoPath are deprecated. They're on their way out as of June of 2026. So if you're watching this after 2026, this is your only way to make a custom list form. You may get prompted with this. As you can see, we're taken right to a form. We have all of our list fields here, which we can get back by going over here, making sure we're selecting the form in the tree view, and you can click Edit Fields here, and it'll prompt you with what fields do you want to include. Right now, I only have the title field in my list. That's why that's the only one I see. If I add fields to my list, I can come back here and click Add Field, and it'll allow me to pick from that list. So you can see I can pick some of the system fields like created by, modified by. That's totally acceptable. For now, I'm just going to leave that the way it is. But from this point, I can customize my form. I can come in here and move the title around. In this case, I'm going to shrink down the form section, and I'm going to add some cool text up here that says my new form. And I'm going to make it a lot bigger, and I'm also going to change the color to, we're going to make it this like bluish color here. So you can see from here you can let your mind wander. You can add images, you can add bars for separating sections. Nothing you can't do here as long as you've preserved this section which is contained inside of the form itself, so that SharePoint knows when users save this, the data in here is posted back to your SharePoint list. You can put cosmetic stuff in here however you like. But that's the quickest and easiest way to set up a SharePoint list form. When you're done, you can click Save and then Publish, and you're all set.